here is the core belief. The physical therapy profession is ready for its next and necessary evolution. Physical therapy as first contact. Primary care providers for neuromusculoskeletal conditions, supported by competency-based diagnostic testing and modern care pathways. Well, let's define now primary care physical therapy, the way we mean it in our statement. It's about rapid triage. It's about evidence-guided conservative care. It's about early identification of risk and timely escalation when medical or surgical evaluation is indicated. This is not physical therapy replacing physicians. This is physical therapists stepping into what we already do at our best, high-level clinical reasoning, and strengthening it with standardized pathways and objective tools when needed. And the statement is very clear about the standard. Primary care is not just a role. Primary care physical therapy is not just a role. It is a responsibility. The responsibility requires preparation, and so hands-on diagnostics has filled that preparation by filing already with ABPT-RFE a candidate residency program in primary care physical therapy to train you, the clinicians, for modern first contact practice. More to follow in future episodes. And this is not a vibe. It is an infrastructure move that hands-on diagnostics has made for the benefit of the entire physical therapy profession. This part makes some people feel uncomfortable because they confuse it with scope creep or ego or doing more tests. Well, the position statement shuts that down immediately. Well, diagnostics like EMG, nerve conduction studies, and musculoskeletal ultrasound are not about doing more tests, are not about replacing the clinical examination tests that already physical therapists do. They are about making better decisions, faster, with the right tool at the right time.